Talking crazy, I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Ladies and gentlemen, you remember me? Long time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am DerikaDashay. Let's get into the video. So as you can see, this is a beginner friendly video. All I had to do was apply makeup. As you can see, this does not have any combs, only one large adjustable strap. So I'm just going to quickly put that on. Also, I no longer do ball cap methods. I feel like there's really no point, to be honest. I didn't even have to wear a cap with this wig, and I went back in later on and fixed it, so you might be able to see it a little bit here. But all I did was apply a little bit of powder. You don't need any liquid foundation, just a powder of your complexion. And this wig already comes pre-cut, so you don't have to cut the unit. You don't have to do anything but apply it to your head, literally. So this is how it looks, just straight onto my head with a little bit of powder. I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just, you know, even out that little hairline, fix it up a bit. I didn't really know what hairstyle I wanted to go with this hair. I wasn't sure, and I was in a rush, so I kind of had to hurry up and figure that out. So yeah, finish watching the video and I'm going to tune back in shortly.
At last, to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive.
Okay, so just to give you guys some specs of this hair, it did come already highlighted, so that's a plus. It is a 24-inch kinky curly unit. It is a 5x5 closure as well, with I believe the lace is transparent. I will have everything linked down below with the exact link to the hair and also the website of where the hair is from. Now, again, like I said, I'm still trying to figure out what I'm about to do with this hair. I just figured out I'm just going to probably just wet it all and just wear it down with no defined part or anything, and style it at another date, because at this point I didn't even know what I was doing. I had to leave. So that's what you guys see me doing here. If you guys want to see an in-depth video of me defining curly hair, I do have a video on my page of how to define curly hair. Now, it's a very old video, so you might have to scroll down some, but I guarantee you that it is worth it. So I end up putting tea tree conditioner in the bottle mixed with just water, and then I just put that all over the hair And then I'm going to just saturate the hair with water and then put a little bit of mousse throughout the hair as well, just so it won't get too frizzy overnight, since I will be outside as well. So that's what I'm doing here, and yeah, that's about it.
That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend, be myself and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. Feel me, help me sing it out.
Quick pro tip: make sure you are putting a lot of mousse in the back of the hair. Y'all know how the back of y'all hair be all matted up and nappy because y'all not really combing it and y'all not properly taking care of it. Especially with curly hair, it's very easy for it to get nappy in the back, just like the kitchen. So make sure you put a lot of product in the back just to avoid that.
Need to cry, I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Tell me, Dallas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave. Miss, I see what dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. They say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, oh. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. I think I'll say, yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave. I see what dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be where you are. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You're trying to leave. Oh, how I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all can leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. Because I know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look get you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave